Gumby chicken bones. Why chicken bones get soft in vinegar. Here's our guest lecturer, Professor I Am Skeptic. Here's the experiment. First put a cooked chicken bone into a container of vinegar. Keep it in there for a couple weeks. Take it out and bend it. It's flexible. Why does this happen? Well, bone consists of two components. A hard part, calcium phosphate, and a soft part, flexible collagen. The vinegar is a mild acid, acetic acid. The acid slowly dissolves the calcium in the hard part, leaving the soft part. The end result is rubbery bones. We get Gumby chicken bones. Dude, I used AI to generate a Gumby chicken, man. Yeah, that's nice, Joe. But now, get back to your studies. Yeah. Try this experiment yourself. Science is fun. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. 1, 2, 3. That's all there is to it.